Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to prepare a floral letter or number design. You'll need a jumper, needle threader and small embroidery scissors. You'll also need your design printed onto sticky water-soluble paper and washable pens in your chosen wall colour. Simply mark on your design where you want each colour to go. I've gone for yellow, pink and white. Marking your design will help when you start to embroider. Now to position your design onto your jumper. Fold your jumper in half to find the centre point. Take your needle and insert it into the neckline of the jumper. Unfold your jumper and lay it flat. Place your design on top. You'll notice that there is a line to show you the centre of the design. Now to peel off the backing paper and place the design flat on your jumper. Be careful, this is both sticky and tricky. If you're not happy with where you have placed it, simply unpeel it and reposition. Press, and now you're ready to start embroidering.